Hai guys, di video kali ini aku mau bikin vlog dokumentasi of me trying to finish my skripsi within 24 hours, I guess. Jadwal bimbingannya itu besok bimbingan buat finalisasi, tapi belum dikasih tahu jam berapa. I wasn't able to finish it today, jadi by tonight I have to finish like revisi-revisi duniawi yang ada di sini. So, I wanna take you guys with me because I think it's fun. Aku tuh sering juga lihat YouTube people yang kayak doing something for 24 hours dan lain-lainnya. And I think it's kind of fun, so I wanna make that kind of video as well. Buat yang belum tahu, halo, nama aku Farsha. Sekarang aku itu 21 tahun. Aku lagi ngejalanin semester akhir being a law student di Universitas Indonesia. Dan with that comes skripsian dan sidang, which is supposed to be around sekitar 2 mingguan lagi. Hopefully, wish me luck. Besok itu bimbingan yang insya Allah bimbingan terakhir untuk finalisasi semua substansi isi dari skripsi aku sebelum akhirnya bisa lanjut ke administratif sidang. So I'm really nervous about tomorrow. Sebenarnya bisa juga enggak sih, mungkin kalau misalkan ternyata ada yang perlu ditambahin atau dikurangin atau diperbaikin in general, bisa juga setelah besok tuh masih lagi. But I hope not. So I wanna take you guys with me along for the ride. Sekarang itu jam 7.22, hari Kamis tanggal 20 Juni 2024. Okay, I'm gonna make the most of my time karena aku baru pulang dari kantor. FYI juga buat yang belum tahu, aku lagi magang juga. I just got home from the office, so I'm gonna clean up my makeup and then we're gonna head on to... Kamar aku mati di tengah-tengah aku yapping. But I took a shower, I had dinner, and now I am going to start my things. Yeah, by the way, it's currently already 9:13. Bad use of time management, but it's okay, it happens. Aku habis ada small break of binge watching on Netflix. Aku tuh sekarang lagi nonton Brooklyn 99 lagi. It's my third time because I already finished it twice. Jadi aku rewatching. So, first things first, sebelum aku mulai banget, I need to put everything in front of me. Aku mau nge-list out jadi apa aja changes yang aku perlu lakuin. Sometimes help to spare some time di awal, walaupun ini mungkin kelihatannya kayak buang-buang waktu, mendingan langsung ngerjain, tapi aku ngerasa lebih organized aja, jadi ngerjainnya setiap udah selesai tuh I know what to do next, nggak cuma scattered. Oke, aku mau nata ini per bab aja, jadi aku tahu bab 1 harus diapain, bab 2 harus diapain, dan seterusnya. So, I don't know if I should like show you or tell you about what my skripsi is about. Kayaknya belum deh, mungkin nanti kalau misalkan udah sidang. I am gonna tell you guys about my skripsi because I actually like my skripsi. I really enjoyed the process of making it and I enjoyed the research and everything. So, to-do list. Bab 1 adalah untuk bab 2. Damn, ternyata banyak juga ya. Jaminan umum khusus udah. I have split this into 5 sections yang berarti 5 bab aku. Jadi kesimpulan aku adalah bab 1, 3, sama 5 itu sangat sedikit dan bab 2 sama 4 itu lumayan banyak perubahannya. Dan since I have like until tomorrow, I don't know what time, tapi intinya berarti besok aku tuh masih punya waktu. I think tonight aku mau selesain bab 1, 2, 3 dulu aja supaya besok tinggal 4 sama 5. Karena to be honest, fokus pen aku tuh jelek. Jadi aku tuh gak bisa kalau kerja tuh terlalu lama. Aku tuh gak suka begadang demi sesuatu gitu. I'm sorry, I need my beauty sleep. So, I think I'm gonna time limit the night into working sampai 11.30 paling lama. And just to be clear, currently gonna start at 9:30ish berarti. So, let's get to work. Okay, guys, ternyata untuk bab 1 udah selesai. I didn't expect it to be this big. nonsense. So I guess we'll check this off. Next up, bab 2 ini yang seharusnya lumayan lama. So let's go. For 2, which is quite quicker than I expected. Oh, ternyata enggak. It's currently 10:23, so we have like about an hour left. Tapi kalau misalkan aku stick to my plan, which is to finish bab 1, 2, 3 for tonight, then I actually still have a lot of spare time left. So yeah, I might just try to push through in case I can finish things anyway. So here we go for bab 3. Okay, so apparently I'm done, which is quite unexpected. I thought it was gonna feel a lot harder. I got my bab 1 sampai bab 3 done, and it is now 10:44. It's almost 11. Kind of thinking, should I just push through or should I just leave this until tomorrow? I think I'll do bab 5 first and then I leave bab 4 for tomorrow. Karena bab 5 is a lot easier dan as I told you guys, fokus pen aku tuh lumayan low in terms of ngerjain tugas gitu. I need breaks in between, and by break I mean like long breaks. Bab 5 should probably take like around 15 minutes-ish, and then when it's 11-ish, I'll go to bed. Let's do this thing. Hey guys, so I officially finished bab 5's part, which means bab 1 is done, bab 2 is done, 3 is done, bab 5 is done, and then I only have bab 4 left, yang merupakan bagian paling banyak di antara ini semua. That's why I'm leaving it till tomorrow, because I don't think I have the energy left. So we're gonna leave that till tomorrow, because it's already 11:29. Sekarang udah jam 11:30, dan berarti ini udah sesuai sama my target for today, which is to finish bab 135 initially. 1, 2, 3, aku lupa. Tapi pokoknya I think I finish more than I plan to finish tonight, which is good. Jadi besok aku tinggal recheck bab 4, revise bab 4 dan recheck sisanya, so that I can be more relaxed in doing so tomorrow for my bimbingan. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hello guys, so a little update. Sekarang itu hari Jumat, the next day, jam 8.58, jam 9 malam. Dan aku hari ini tuh gak jadi bimbingan karena di reschedule jadi besok. So today I just went to work, dan tadi abis pulang udah sempat makan juga. But that's why skripsi aku sampai sekarang itu belum finalized. Jadi aku to-do listnya masih sama kayak where we left off last night. So I'm gonna pick that up. Tapi since it's Friday, I wanna treat myself for tonight, berhubung ini tuh Friday night, dan besok itu I can say weekend yang dimulai dengan bimbingan, tapi it's weekend anyway. And I think we deserve it. We all deserve the break. So tonight aku mau have a little self-care night, dan dimulai dengan body scrub. Ini salah satu rutinitas self-care aku yang aku tuh pengen mulai untuk lakuin lebih konsisten lagi. Good thing I received this from Iswhite karena I really wanted to start off my routine. I've heard some really good reviews about Iswhite online, so I'm really excited to try this out. Ini tuh wanginya kayak permen. Do they have a flavor? Jadi ini tuh yang glow up body scrub, and the smell is so good. I currently have a scrub, tapi scrub yang aku punya sekarang tuh yang bubuk, and I have to mix it with water, and this is so much easier to do. Thank you very much Iswhite, and I can't wait to try this out and have my little self-care night before we proceed with my scriptsy. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so we are ready now to start our session, our work session. It's currently 10. I took a break for way too long, tapi nggak apa, karena tomorrow we don't have work, so I can take all my time tonight without having to worry about waking up in the morning. So yeah, that's great. Let's go start our session. I think I need like a snack. Okay, so it's not exactly a snack, but I got fruity. This is what I mean by my focus span is short. That's why aku dari dulu kalau ngerjain tugas apapun itu, mau kuliah, mau organisasi atau apapun yang ada, aku tuh sistemnya emang selalu nyicil because I can't work for too long. But I think I need to learn how to. Okay, let's go again. Hey guys, so it's currently day 3. Maaf kalau berisik suara tukang di luar, tapi sekarang itu hari ketiga of this vlog, which is hari Sabtu 22 Juni, jam 11 lewat. I have bimbingan today, dan makanya tadi pagi tuh aku udah selesai run through dan finalisasi semuanya, and I hope it's... Sebenarnya belum semuanya selesai sih, tapi I think it's enough for this bimbingan. Tapi abis bimbingan nanti aku bakal sekalian bilang juga kalau aku izin untuk masih parafrase dan rapi-rapihin kalimat-kalimatnya, karena I think it still needs a bit of an adjustment now and there. I hope it's enough for today, karena aku mau sekalian juga minta form untuk approval. I think with that marks the end of this video, karena tujuan dari vlog ini kan sebenarnya emang buat asking you guys to come along with me nyelesain skripsi aku, dan for now, I think it's finalized. Tinggal nunggu bimbingannya aja. So we'll pick up from there. Maybe I'll update more on the progress in my other video. Thank you for everyone who's been watching this far. I really hope you like the video, and I kind of like making these kinds of video karena aku jadi emang harus ke-push untuk ngerjain. Since I feel like I've been watched by you guys. Aku kayak diawasin, jadi I have to go according to my plan in this video. So thank you for coming along for the ride. Bye-bye!